Hey everybody. Wait, what happened? Hi, this is Rick. I'm in my laboratory and I am going to try to remove rust from staples using the first method in my plan, which is electrocleaning. So here I go. Let's see if it works. So here's my setup. I have a DC power supply. I have an electrocleaning solution I've been working on that I made up here. It's my cleaner. I have a metal plate, nickel plate, that's going to touch the battery. That's the cathode, and I'm going to make the staple anodic. I have a piece of sponge here that I am going to prepare by sticking a piece of this copper wire through it so I can use it as an electrode. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll get back and we'll start. Already a quick update. The copper wire was a bust, so I have this nail and a sponge I wrap some wire around that's going to serve as my anode, and the nail goes down to about here. It's tied to this thing here, so we'll see how that works. And I am going to dip it in my solution. Just take a little bit of it up. There, it's just barely wet, and then we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. Okay, I've set the instrument to 6.6 volts. I've got my electrode ready here, and I'm looking, and I'm gonna try to swipe some of it. I'm just gonna set it on this thing. I've got two protective pieces of removable tape here, just to keep the focus on this part. And we'll see how it's doing here. I'm gonna keep sponging off any excess liquid. I have to make sure I press this staple down to the that didn't really work, so I clipped the cathode onto the staple on the other side because pressing it down wasn't giving me enough regular current. All right, now we're going to try this again. I really need to whoa, yeah, now I'm getting it. I'm getting a lot of fizzing on that staple. It seems to be cleaning it somewhat. Let's see how it's looking here. With this, I'll show you this with this little, there we go, we get a lot of sparks. Let's see how it works after this, how it looks. Once it dries. Hopefully we're reducing the iron oxide back down to iron and it looks shiny and new, I hope. It's feeling smoother anyway. See how we're doing. Be better with the sponge. I need to rebuild this and try again because it could be a lot better obviously than it is. But at least we're conducting, and I need to make a different tip to this thing. And I need something that'll absorb the contaminants and also provide conductivity at the same time. So this setup needs a lot of improvement, but we'll get there. We will get there. We're just gonna touch it like through this. It's not working. I don't think the sponge is conductive enough. Doesn't have enough conduction in its juice here. Let's try this. Definitely this way it does. I don't know if it's coming any cleaner or not, but we don't really like that as much. We have to keep getting it wet. We don't want to do that. Let's see this here. I'm gonna just try it then anyway. Is that working? I'm not scrubbing this, by the way. I'm just gliding. Let's try the sponge here. And the idea is we don't want the rust to go into the paper because then we'll have to get it out of there. Well, does it look brighter now? Yeah, I'd say probably. We'll have to see when it's dry, if it looks better. We'll have to look at the other one too on the other side. This one looks, I don't know, I'd say it looks brighter, I guess. It does look more metal. I have to get that rust out of the paper too. That'll be a future thing. What's this side look like? It's not too bad, really. That one was really rusty. We got to get the rust out of the paper, and I'll work on that as well. Actually, I think it looks good. It doesn't look terrible. Kind of working. It's okay.